Can you talk for me? Yeah? You talking? Talk to me. Can you talk to me? Hello?